We were discussing about the session, right? Actually, session means that it's a particular interval of time. Session means it's an interval of time, right? So here we need to maintain the session from a page to page. We need to maintain the data. Okay, to maintain the data, we need a mechanism called session management. Okay. So it's normally HTTP protocol is a stateless one. Okay, it will not maintain any data between the pages. So we need session mechanism here to implement to maintain the data from a page to page. So we are calling this one
Okay.
is to maintain the state. We need a session flagging mechanism. And there are something we can implement it using cookies or we can have an hidden form field to get it. Um,
Using what? Sorry, last statement I didn't get. So we have to use session tracking using beans, you said.
using cookies. Cookies. Cookie, you know,
Sorry, it's not clear.
browser and all we have cookie, right? Let me think if it's not here.
Oh, using cookies. Okay. Yep.
It's something like a small piece of information that is persisted in between the client request and all. Request response, it will maintain the informations. Okay, how cookie works is by default,
Right.
each request is considered as a new request. In cookie technique, we add cookie with a response from the servlet. Okay, so cookie is stored in the cache of the browser. It's actually storing in the cache of the browser. That is nothing but a cookie. After that, if request is sent by the user, cookie is added with the request by default. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
the main disadvantage is it will not work if the cookie is disabled in the browser. Particular browser, if the cookie is disabled means our cookie mechanism through server will not is not going to work.
Right.
Okay. But as I said, it is since it is a browser side, we are maintaining the cookie. So we can say this one is a cookie. We are maintaining it through the in client system. We are maintaining the session. You can say like this also.
Mm.
We are maintaining the session in client system.
Right.
So now to do that, we will have a simple example with that one. Yes, I will can you open Java deploying this. Code is there. I will
Say that again.
from Java deploying code is there. You can take it and just try it. I will help you on that one. Instead of you typing it on your own, we can just
Okay. So you are saying go Java T point go where?
Servlet.
Yeah, I'm under servlet.
Okay, then a session will be there, right?
Yeah, session tracking.
Okay, inside that a cookie will be there. Come down. So,
This code.
yeah, we can just try it with this one itself. It will work for you properly. Just we will go through that one how the data is written in cookie. So in cookie there are so many methods are there. First we are creating the object for the cookie here.
You want me to scroll up?
Yes. is nothing but a normal class. Here we are creating the cookie.
Affecting things, right? There are no vendors saying that each we install drivers are Windows 7 drivers. So you have to install the Windows 8. Minus. You only have that. So, but we need a byte connection to install the drivers. Or else you can download this Windows 8 Windows drivers and just install that you can activate.
Yes, sorry. Just here we are having cookie. So we are creating the cookie using a cookie is nothing but a normal Java class. So we are creating the cookie like cookie space cookie equal to new cookie, and there we can add an as a parameter add cookie response dot add cookie ck, and here we can set the some values inside the cookie. While creating itself also we can mention the user sooner as well. So from next page we will be able to get this username. The user is the
Okay.
key and the value is the sooner days call. So storing based on the key value pair. So this is the way to get the key. Here it is, right. CK out get name and get value. It will return the name and the value. Both. If you want only name, you can just use value.
Oh, but see, can you scroll up a little bit?
Yeah,
So it's saying cookie. So it's basically getting an array.
yes,
So it's
yes.
basically printing all of them.
Yeah, yes, correct.
Oh, okay. So it's basically
Because we
printing
are
what kind of
having
cookie
only
is being
one
had.
cookie. Here we are having only one user and name. In case if we have multiple cookies, we are going to iterate it in for loop, and we are able to get it all the username and the password.
Mm-hmm.
Many other fields are there, right? User, password, and some other fields are there. To keep it all in cookie, we can go. We have to set it in multiple cookies. In CK, we have more methods are there. We will see that. So this is normal HTML page as we seen before. Here we are saying
Yep.
typing username, and it is going
Mm-hmm.
from another servlet. Servlet means this one is configured in web.xml. So from web.xml it will come to know which class it has to go. So here we are getting the username and storing in a cookie, and in response we are adding the cookie to that response object. So from next page we will be able to get the cookie of this one. In next servlet we will be able to get this one.
Mm. So how does it get into the next page? Like, can you scroll up a
That
little
is
bit?
using here web.xml we have configured those stuff and all, right. As we seen yesterday.
Or it's calling from here? Creating submit button. Also within the submit button, it is calling this, right?
Servlet 2. Those things are all configured
Within the
in
form, it is there. So
science.
the submit will call servlet too.
Yes.
Okay. So basically, cookie was set with username, whatever you entered in that.
Yeah, correct. So here for Servlet 2 we have mentioned S2.
Uh,
So from S2 we came to know that this is the second Servlet class. You are understanding?
yeah,
This is the same thing we
yeah,
see
I got it.
yesterday, right? You have to XML
Yeah, yeah.
together and
No,
then you move on to multiple pages. If you want,
I was just saying how they are calling this. Just give me a second here. I'm just
uh,
trying to find one more. So it is still calling it as Servlet 2, right? And Servlet 2, if I go to web.xml, Servlet 2 is name S2 and S2 is mapped to second servlet. So we'll look for second servlet dot Java, right?
is correct.
Oh, okay. So it's the same thing as what we were doing earlier. We were not passing cookie. We were just
Yeah,
passing, request responses.
yes. There we have forwarding forwarded, we have forwarded a request comma response, right? Instead of
Yeah.
that, here they have kept
Like
one
request
button
dispatcher.
and they are having a cookie field. So having these two additional, if you want, we can implement these two in our project itself. Can we do that? Or,
No, I can do it. That's fine.
and one more is we can do it using hidden form as well. Means that we are going to create one new input type, okay, which is going to be hidden.
Okay.
So in that value, user will not see that particular button, particular text box. So we are going to store that value in that box, okay, and it will make it as a hidden. So next page we will be able to get from this one.
Hmm.
Okay. To do that, there is a code in there also, but better we will try in Eclipse. So we have created one class. Inside that, copying this to one and we will modify this. So the forward server, what we are going to do is start having this code. Same thing for cookie also we need to modify here only. Just to create one
Right.
full package and just modify this one here.
equal to.
So 1 minute, sir, you come back. Just if you want, you can try it. Hi, Sarav. I mean, are you able to do it?
No, I was just fixing this. I just created index2.jsp
Okay, okay. Good,
and I
carry
just
on. It
added
seems to be you
this,
are doing correct only. Just try.
and then in web.xml I added this servlet name f2, which is actually gonna execute this servlet,
Okay.
and f2 is basically forward to slash
Yeah.
servlet. So this one, because it's in this area.
Okay.
So far I just did this. I just wanted to run because you're already printing it.
Yes.
Only thing is index.2html. You said hidden, right?
Now what we are going to do is actually this request will come to forward server. However, using this request will have that username. Okay. Now from this page, I want to pass the username to another page. That is what the session dragging we are discussing
Oh, okay,
about.
okay.
Okay, that is what the session
No, no, you
dragging.
were talking about some hidden field, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's what we are going to do now. How we are passing from here to next servlet. Okay, that's what the thing. That here only we will create a cookie and we will add that one in the cookie normally to get it in the next servlet. Okay, that is one way.
Right.
Here we can implement cookie. We will get the username in another server, and the second one is here we can implement using hidden form fields also to get
Okay.
it in another server. That's what we are going to see now. So we have created the output response.
Basically out.println, or do you write form in there? Request.get parameter. Oh, that user.
Yeah. So here we are setting that value as the user.
And the third one is probably going to be submit. Right.
Submit we have, but I think we are not close to here.
Oh, you mean break? Oh no. Okay. Closing tab.
Okay, let's see it's working or not.
Two forward, right? Two forward.
Good. Move forward. Hello.
Hello?
Um,
This one, okay. I change index with same or? Oh yeah, it has both. Okay.
I'm not trying to allow. Sorry, I'm not getting you.
Mohammed, you talking to me?
Not then I came to office because not yet reaching. I'm not know how to call him. I call him after balance will go. Okay, let me come in. I will reach in half an hour. I think in that he said just call Chakri and say that we are deployed the F1 portion. We deployed that one in production. Just to mention that one. We updated the logger and we deployed in production. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. So here it is not coming any error. Whether it can be here or not. You create a new index, huh?
Yeah, index dot two. Yeah.
So this now came to our Servlet actually. So now from our Servlet,
Is
should,
it trying to hit this
yeah, it's trying to
because
hit this, do
we're
both.
doing this, right?
Yeah, it's correct. It's trying to hit that one, and from there we are calling this do service. So it's came now, and we are able to print it the user as well. But the form is not getting displayed there. I think some issue was there in form code. Actually, it should display the form.
So to servlet is to forward, right?
Not forward. It's sending forward only. Same concept, but we are
No,
not using request equals to the forward. Instead of that, we are just having a form.
no, this right to servlet.
Yeah, yes, correct.
That's what did we use to servlet here? Oh, and F3 is okay. So it is gonna go there anyways. It printed here, right? Oh, but that's username you printed here, right?
In console, it's getting better, but it should move in the next page. Okay, now
Yeah.
it's sort of the expected one. So the issue might be with the form one which we created.
It didn't give any error or anything. Huh?
No error was there. No exception is there actually.
Oh, can you do Control Z? I wanted to see what we missed.
Control that actually
Yeah.
two servlet, right? We have included the web app as well. We have included the application
Oh, the
name itself.
/ web app.
You don't need that one. Just give two server, it's working fine. So what
And
is
then we
happening?
also added this also, right?
Yeah, we
and the
have
value that's to get in the quote. Okay, user string.
So what we have done is we have created two servlets, and from one servlet we are passing the user data to next servlet. How we are doing is using the hidden form field. Okay, this is the hidden type text box only. So it's not going to display the user, but still we are saying the username from JSP to is
Mm-hmm.
hidden, and from next page we are using that hidden name to get it the input.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But in the other one we have submit button also, right? Without submit button it won't work.
Put submit button, it won't work.
So something needs to direct because within the
Yeah,
form it will not direct.
that's why there's a disadvantage of using the hidden form session tracking.
Mhm.
Okay, so this is one form, and we can do session tracking using a HTTP session also.
Using what?
Using HTTP session.
HTTP session.
Yeah, that's one. Just go through it yourself that HTTP session. If you are not understanding this, just let me know. We will try that one as well.
Okay.
Okay, just read on that one. HTTP session, how it's doing. It's there in Java key point itself.
Okay. I'll go over it.
Okay, sir. Just try if you're getting any issues, let me know on that one. Okay. From tomorrow,
Okay.
we will start with the struts framework.
Okay.
We have how you normally used to download the jars and all, sir.
Say that again, Mama.
For struts application, right? We need to download some jars,
Okay.
supported jars. So I don't know how you are able to do that one.
Now send me the jars, right? Whatever it is, I'll
Because in mail,
load
I
them.
don't know whether I will be able to send it jars or not. I will check that.
No, no, no. Just the names.
Oh,
I mean, I can find. Strut 2.
no, no, we go for Struts 1.2. Struts 2 is make a more comfortable one. It's,
Okay. So all these, right? Struts.
yeah, yes, correct. Correct.
So it's all there. I'll download.
Okay, okay. So just downloading TB that will be helpful for tomorrow. Yeah.
Probably keep it in the same location. Then we can load it.
Yeah, yes.